So word making the rounds is that Jamaica T20 superstar Chris Gayle was not re-signed by the Jamaica Tallawahs after the disastrous last place finish in the 2019 season. We understand Gayle will be heading to one of those small island teams as the Tallawahs look to rebound from a squabble-filled, divided and unstable season that crippled both individual and the team performances in a season that every Tallawahs fan want to forget. And remember now, all of this comes in a context of rampant talk the season before the last of the Tallawah franchise pulling up stumps from Jamaica and moving to Florida amidst increased financial losses. Some groundwork was done, some consultations were made, and some sponsorship secured. And the Tallawahs committed to stay in Jamaica last year, only to be greeted by those gutless and worthless displays by a splinter team. And look, this is franchise sport. This is not national team sport where teams are stuck with the same players for 10 and 15 years till they retire. In franchise sport, people come and people go, no matter which country you come from. It's all about performance, no matter who you are. So you cannot blame the ownership of the Tallawahs for making changes. Any players or player don't perform, them have to live up. Universe, man! Yeah, where you going? Where you going?